Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. The Do Not Disturb mode is useful for muting notifications. So basically, if you don't want to be disturbed, maybe you're in a meeting or maybe you're in a cinema or something like that, you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, it will mute the notifications. And once you're done, you can disable it, which will unmute them, and then you will be able to receive them. So let's get started. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open this quick panel. On this panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like the moon icon. If you hover over it, you will see that it's the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and by default the mode will be off, the status will be off. But if you want to turn it on, you can simply tap on this icon, the status will change to on, the icon will also get highlighted, which also indicates that the mode is enabled, and after a few seconds the menu will disappear and the screen will basically turn off. But as you can see, when you wake up the screen, after a while, you will see this icon right here at the top popping up, showing you that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. Let's wait for it to turn off. Okay, and once you wake up the screen, you will see the icon telling you that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you open the quick panel, you tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the status will change to off, the icon will change the color back to gray, and the icon on the watch face won't pop up anymore, which means that the mode is disabled. Let's wake up the screen. As you can see, the icon doesn't pop up anymore. You can also enable a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific time you set. And to do that, we need to open the settings. So press the back button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, find the option called General Settings and tap on it. And here look for the Do Not Disturb. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have on and off. So if you select on, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. If you select off, it will turn it off. But if you scroll down, you will see this on with the time. This is the schedule, and you can tap on it. And we can set the start time, the time on which the mode will be turning on. And you can set the hour and minutes. Then we have the end time. Okay, and then we can tap on the check mark. And now the schedule is enabled. You can tell by the time under the Do Not Disturb mode right here. So the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 8:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the schedule, you simply select the Do Not Disturb mode option right here in the settings. Scroll up and just tap on off. And the mode will be disabled. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.